I can still remember that every time that I came home from school, I was driving in a neighborhood right here, right? Whilst I was at a certain point, my dick literally used to get hard because I knew that I was going to relapse in like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from now. Think about that. Then I came home, I relapsed. What do you think the next thing is that I did? Do you think I was going to do like some productive homework or working on my business, fulfilling my purpose, doing those things? Or do you think that I was going to play video games? Of course I was going to play video games, bro. My grades were down fucking bad. Everything went kind of downhill. And I decided that I wanted to quit. I wanted to quit playing video games because the weekends were actually the worst. I used to play like 12 hours, sometimes even 14 hours a day on these on the for like I was always playing Fortnite, right? Um the same with like vacation and all that stuff. Bro, I didn't even want to have vacations anymore. Well, of course I wanted it, but in the back of my mind I still was like, but I'm just going to play video games anyway, so what is the point, right? And I decided to quit. I really wanted to quit, right? But I couldn't quit. It just I couldn't. I was too fucking addicted. But then I actually started to do different things. I started going to the gym, for example. And then when my friend told me that he wanted to play video games with me, I was like, no, I'm in the gym right now. I'm sorry. And then I would literally send a picture of my biceps. I don't know why, but, but yeah, bro, that was what I did. That was how I actually managed to quit playing video games because I had something different. I had a basic attack, and to be honest, I actually enjoyed my life even more because it was just different than usual. And I think this is something that you should implement in your life as well. It's I don't expect you to do like crazy things like, I don't know, travel the fucking world, going to Dubai or something like that, because you probably don't have money for that right now, and I don't think it's the best investment of your time right now. Even though it's like a good investment of your time, I still don't think you have the money. And yeah, bro, you're probably in school right now as well. So here's here's kind of how I did it, right? I'm just going to tell you basically the things that I did to make my life like better, sicker, like different. And I hope you get some like inspiration from this. So Saturday, a friend of mine came over. We went to the gym after my kickboxing. So I just did some kickboxing, some like sparring, all that stuff. Then I went to the gym with a friend of mine. And after that, we bought some creatine. I think you call it like creatine, right? Creatine, yeah. So we bought some creatine. We he bought some like frozen fruits. And we went to my home and we made like this shake, this creatine shake with protein and I don't know all that stuff. Um, yeah, man. Then he came. He like ate some food here, and he went away at like 8 p.m. or something like that. Then the next day, so Sunday, I actually hosted my own meetup for people in my free community. I hosted my own meetup in my country, and I don't know. We just went for like some snooker, some cold approaches, all that stuff. It was a fun day, bro. We went for some good like solid food as well. And yeah, man, there were people there like making more money than I did. So I learned a lot from these things as well, right? Then Monday, I actually went to kickboxing, or sorry, to the gym after kickboxing. I don't know. I just started doing this randomly just to, I don't know, just to experiment, right? I love these experiments, bro. It's just different, right? So then I went to the gym after kickboxing. I was fucking exhausted, bro. I was tired. I didn't want to be at the place anymore, but I went anyways, and that's kind of it. Kind of made me proud, right? The Thursday, I just played some board game with my parents. Just I was just working, playing board games, all that stuff. Nothing really special, right? Then Wednesday I actually went to the gym with my friend and my girlfriend. So that was kind of funny. Like I was going to the gym with my friend, and then my girl just said like, "Oh yeah, can I come with you as well?" And I was like, "Yeah, fuck it, why not?" Um, yeah, man, we just went to the gym, and then after that she came over here for a little while as well. It became like she stayed until like 1 a.m. the next day because it was her birthday the next day, right? So then she went home. This was kind of like a funny moment because I went home. I have this like you have this thing, a kind of like a mini house. I don't know, where you store like your bikes and you store the dad. Your dad probably stores a lot of shit in here, right? I don't know the name of it, but then I have my garden and then I have my house. But I actually locked myself, or my mother did actually accidentally put the key in the door, so I couldn't open the door anymore. And I thought my key was broken, right? The key of my house was broken or something like that. I don't know, but on this thing, or on this like little house, I don't know how you call it. Fuck me, but then I put up like I climbed over this mini house. Um, I, I don't know. I have a pull-up bar hanging on it. So with one arm, I grabbed the pull-up bar, I pulled myself up, and then the other, I kind of did a muscle up basically, and then I jumped off it. But then the next day, I just realized that I could just walk through the mini house with the keys, but I just completely forgot about it. So I actually went over it, or I don't know. I felt like Spider-Man, bro. It was like 1 a.m. as well, so everybody was asleep. I don't know. It was sick. The Yeah. So Thursday, I actually went to the mall, to like a big mall of this country. It's called the Mall of the Netherlands, with my girlfriend because it was her birthday and all that shit. We got some drip. We got some new drip. We got a nice clothes. I spent like $40 or something like that. It was fucking cheap as well. All these shirts were like $5 to $10, bro. I was like, what the fuck? It's so cheap, right? So yeah, man, I got like 6 shirts for like $40. It was amazing. But then Friday, so that was yesterday, I closed a $900 client. He's worth $900. So yeah, like I'm not even going to lie to you. When you make money, when you make $900, it's not a lot, of course. I know, like, it's for a sales call $900. I'm not really proud of it or something like that, but it still feels kind of good, right? Because you're making money, you feel like the fucking G. So yeah, I just made some money, and when you make money, you don't really care anymore. Then I just answered some messages of my friends and all that stuff. Was just chilling. My mom, uh, I went to my mom, cleaned my room a little bit, all that stuff. Then today I actually went sparring, but I was just training kickboxing, and I've got a match tomorrow. So I was kind of training for the match, but I actually got injured. I'm still going to do the match tomorrow because I don't really care about it. It kind of seems like I have two ankles right now. I don't know if I can actually show. No, I can't show you right now. But I don't want to put my feet on the channel, bro. But but I hope you understand. But yeah, man, I already realized that this was going to be more of like a rest day, right? I don't really want to do like crazy shit like going for a run or going for meetups, because I wanna go to bed early because I wanna sleep well and prepare for tomorrow. So today what I did is I did a free group coaching call for my free community. I just did a group coaching call. And normally I don't really do this stuff, but I was like, fuck it, why not, right? Warming some people up, talking to the people there. It's always fun, bro. It's always fun just talking to the people in there, right? Probably, I don't know. I got this in like 10 minutes from now, so I think 5 guys are showing up or something like that. Yeah, man, we just have a nice time together. The yeah, so tomorrow, as I said, I got this match, and the week after that, we will see what it brings, right? I don't know. We will see. So yeah, man, that's things that you could implement in your life. I highly recommend you implement things like these to your life. Don't cope with this. There's so much to do. I understand, like, oh, you might not want to host like a complete meetup or something like that, but you don't really need to cope with this, because it's even as simple as going for a walk. It just makes you happy. You start to appreciate little things. Basically, you start to appreciate smaller things in life, and that's fucking powerful, bro. So yeah, man, that's all I gotta say. And without anything else, I just wanted to thank you for watching. You're a complete G. You're an utter G. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Also, let me know what you think of the drip, bro. Nah, I'm kidding, but thank you for watching.